On this video today, I'm going to show you a secret strategy that you can use to make money on CPAGRIP. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that I'm going to show you all the details that you need to know about this method. I will show you how to log content to get people to complete them for you to earn money. I'll also be showing you where to get people to complete those offers. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that you get to know everything that you need to know. And if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAGRIP accounts. Once you create your accounts, you're going to come right here, click on monetization tools. Once you click on monetization tools, come right here, click on URL/file lockers. Just click on that. Once you click on URL/file lockers, you are going to see a page like this. So what we are going to do is that we are going to lock a URL whereby we can get people to click through our link so that CPAGRIP will show them offers to complete before they get access to the URL that we've locked. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find a URL whereby we can lock it for the people to complete the offers for us to make money on Teespring. The next step is that we are going to come to this website, remote.co. This website is a job posting website whereby a lot of people post their jobs right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to find one of the jobs so that we can lock it for people to complete offers on CPAGRIP before they get access to the job. So once you are on remote.co, what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see recent remote jobs. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see remote design jobs. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just click on this one right here, graphic designer. Once you click on graphic designer, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down, you can see the different design jobs that people can apply on this website. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see graphic designer, you can see this one right here, you can see lead product designer, you can see another one, you can see another one. As I scroll down, you can see different jobs under the design category. You can see a whole lot of them. So if anyone qualifies to work as a graphic designer, they can just come right here and then click on one of them to apply. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock one of these content. So we are going to just select any of them. So you can just select this one right here, lead product designer. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the details of the job. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see the responsibilities, you can see the requirement and everything. You can see right here, this is the place that you can click to apply for the job. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock this content so that people will complete offers before they get access to this particular button. You are just going to come right here on the link of the job and then copy it. Once you copy, you are going to return to CPAGRIP whereby you can now lock this particular URL. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, what you are going to do is that you are going to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down, come right here, click on agree to terms of service. Once you click on that, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see right here, what you are going to do is that you are going to select a template so that you can lock your content. To select a template, you are going to click right here, templates. Once you click on templates, you can see different templates that you can select. So as I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. So you can just select any of them that you want. So as you can see this one right here, you can see human verification. That is one. You can see this one right here, complete the captcha below to continue. So we are going to be using this particular template. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you can see this is what is going to happen. So anytime people click on the link that you've locked, they are going to see a page like this. So once they click on I'm not a robot, they are going to be asked to complete any of these offers. It depends on their locations. So wherever they are going to see offers to complete before they get access to the link that you've locked. So once they complete any of these offers, we are going to be earning money on CPAGRIP. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock the URL. To lock the URL, you are going to click right here, general. Once you click on general, the next thing is that you are going to give a name to the URL that you've locked. So right here you can see designer jobs. It's just for you. They are not going to see anything like this. So it's just for you to identify the link that you've locked. This is not going to be seen by anyone. So once you have that, you are going to come right here. You can see complete an offer below to prove you are a human. So that is the text that you are going to see. You can edit it. You can see I'm not a robot. You can edit all these text, but for the sake of what we are doing, everything is accurate, so we don't need to edit anything. So once that is done, we are going to scroll down and come right here. You can see locked URL. So this is where you are going to paste the URL that you've copied from remote.co, the link of the job. So just come right here and then paste it. Once you paste it, you can see show offers. So now you are going to determine the number of offers that you want CPAGRIP to show to your potential visitors. So you can leave it as 3, you can also decrease it to 2, you can increase it to 4. So I want to just decrease it to 2. So once your potential visitor click on this particular link, you can see they are now going to see 2 offers. But if you select 3 or 4, once they click on I'm not a robot, you can see the many offers. So it doesn't matter the number of offers here, we just want them to complete one of them. So I prefer 2. If you want, you can make it 3 or 4, but I prefer 2. So once you have that, the next thing is that you are going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, the access time right here, you can select any of these periods. So I'm just going to select forever. You can equally do that, or you can select the one that you want. So now once you enter all the details, you are going to come right here, click on show offers. Once you click on show offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, anyone who clicks through your link in the United Kingdom, they are going to see 2 of these offers. So if they complete them, you are going to be earning money. For example, if your potential visitor click on your link and see this offer, if he or she is able to complete it, you are going to be earning $1.83. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this one right here, you are going to earn $2.05, but they must do it on a desktop. You can see this one right here, they must do it on a mobile, but on iOS, as you can see right here. And its installation is not about email or zip submit. They are going to install an app. You can see a whole lot of different offers that your potential visitor can complete for you to earn money. If someone clicks through your link in the United States, they are going to see different offers. You can see in the United States, your potential visitor, if they complete this offer right here, you're going to be earning $2.44. You can see this one right here, $2.05, but they must do it on a mobile. You can see the requirement is email and zip submit. So if they enter an email and their zip to receive 750 PayPal gift card, you are going to be earning $2.05. So it depends on where your visitor is coming from. So if your visitor comes from, let's say, Australia, as you can see right here, if your visitor clicks through your link and then enter his or her email to receive $500 Priceline gift card, you are going to be earning $1.71. So your earning depends on wherever your visitors are coming from. When we were entering the details, we limited the number of offers to only 2. So CPAGRIP is going to show at least 2 of these offers for your potential visitor to complete before they get access to the URL. Once they perform the action, you are going to be earning money on CPAGRIP. So now that you know the offers, what you are going to do is that you are going to click right here, save, so that you can save your link. So once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. You can see your link right here. This is the link that you've logged. So if you click on get links, you are going to get a link so that you can now send that link to your potential visitors. For example, let me just click on it, get links. Once you click on get links, you are going to see a page like this. You can select a domain. So just select any of these domains. Once you select a domain, you can see this is your link. Just click right here to copy it. So now I'm going to switch on my VPN so that I can test the link in the United Kingdom. As you can see, my VPN is now on. So let me test the link for you to see in the United Kingdom the kind of offers that our potential visitors are going to see. As you can see, this is how it is going to be displayed to the people in the United Kingdom. So once they click on I am not a robot, just click on it. You can see the offer that they are going to receive. You can see enter your Aldi gift card and e-bike. So once they click and complete that offer, you're going to be paid. If your visitor prefers this one, if they complete it, you are still going to be paid on CPAGRIP. So now that we know this, the next thing is that we are going to bring traffic to this particular link so that we can get people to complete the offers for us to make money. One of the secret traffic sources that you can use is adpost.com. So once you search for adpost.com, you are going to see a page like this. What you are going to do is that you have to just click right here so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you sign up for your free accounts, you are going to see a page like this. So you are going to just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, view or post ads in the following countries. So if you want to view ads in any of these countries, you can just select the country that you want to view the ads. If you want to post an ad, you have to also select the country that you want to post the ad. So in this case, we are going to select the United States. So just click on it. Once you click on United States, what you have to do is that just click right here, post ad. Once you click on post ad, you can see please choose a section to post your free ad. So just scroll down and then select the section. So in this case, we are going to select employment. Once you select employment, you are going to see a page like this. just scroll down. As you can see, the details that you have to provide. So the first one is that you are going to select the category of the job. So just click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down, make sure you choose other announcement. So once you choose that, you are going to select the caption right here. So just click on it, select announcing. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here caption. So right here we are going to type the caption of the jobs. Just type something like product designer needed, just something like this. Once that is done, you are going to paste the description of the job. So when you come back to remote.co, you can see this is the title of the job. You can see the description. Let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see the description is very long. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy a portion of it, because when you come here, your description must be a limit of 500 words. So we can't copy everything in the description. So what you have to do is that you have to just scroll down, come right here, you can see what you will do. So just copy that section of the description. So you just highlight it and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to scroll down and then fill the rest of the details. So when you come here, you can see the job type. So just click on it. You can see full-time permanent, full-time temporal, part-time permanent, part-time temporal. So you are going to select one of them. So just select full-time temporal. Once that is done, you can see seniority. So just select any of the positions. So you can see senior staff. Once that is done, you are going to paste the job title right here. So just come back to remote.co. Once you come back to remote.co, you are going to highlight the job title right here. Once you highlight it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The salary, you can see monthly. Just select that and you can paste any amount right here. So let's just type $5,000. Once that is done, you can see starting date. You are going to enter today's date. So just enter today's date. That is it. You can see education requirement. You can just select any of them. So once that is done, you can see open. You can see 5 or more. So we need 5 or more. Once that is done, you can choose the advertiser. Just click on company. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see your name right here, the company. For the company, you are going to go back to remote.co so that you can get the name of the company. So right here, you can see this is the name of the company. You can see shortlist. So just copy it right here. Once you copy the name of the company, then you are going to come right here and then paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Your address and everything is optional. So right here, you are going to select the country. So in this case, we are going to select the United States. So just scroll down and then select the United States. As you can see, this is it. Just select it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see your phone number and everything. You can see display the following fields: address, zip code, phone number. We don't want that, so just deselect it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see website. So this is where you are going to paste your locked URL. So you are going to go back to CPAGRIP so that you can get your locked URL. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, you are going to copy your locked URL. So just click right here, get links. Once you click on get links, you are going to select a domain. So just select any of these domains. Just scroll down and then select any of them. Once you select the domain, you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come to this website, bit.ly.com. Right here, you're going to paste your link so that you can shorten it to be nice. So once you paste your link, just click on shorten so that you can shorten your link. Once it is shortened, just click on copy so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come right here and then paste your link at the website section. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. As you can see right here, preview ad. So just click on it so that you can see how your ad is going to look like. Once you click on preview ad, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, this is your ad. You can see all the details that you provided. So now we are going to scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see right here, this is your link. So anytime people view this particular ad, if they want to apply for the job, they are going to click right here so that they can get access to the job. But they must complete offers on CPAGRIP before they get access to the job that they want to apply. So once they complete the offers, you are going to be paid on CPAGRIP. So if there is no mistake, what you are going to do is that just click on post ad so that your ad will be posted onto this website for free. Once you click on post ad, you can see ad, and this is the number, has been successfully posted. So people can now see your ad and then click through to take the necessary action for you to make money on CPAGRIP. You have to keep on creating different ads and then post it to this website so that you can get a lot of people to click through your link and then complete the offers for you to make money on CPAGRIP. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.